Hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting episode on AKA Fighter Jet Force. Today, we're talking about a country that often makes headlines but is usually underestimated in the field of military technology, and that country is Iran. Yes, Iran has just revealed a brand new fighter jet, and it's not just a prototype, it's a loud and clear message to the world that Iran is pushing hard to become self-reliant in advanced defense tech. Number 1. Name and design of the jet. The name of Iran's new fighter jet is Kowsar 2, an upgraded and more advanced version of its earlier Kowsar model. According to Iranian sources, this new jet includes stealth features, making it extremely difficult to detect on enemy radar. Its shape resembles modern fifth-generation aircraft like the Chinese J-20 or American F-35, but it also incorporates unique Iranian design elements. The nose cone is stealth-optimized, the air intakes are sharply angled, and the tail section is designed to reflect radar signals in nonlinear patterns. Number 2. Features and capabilities. Iran claims the Kowsar 2 comes equipped with the following features: stealth technology, advanced avionics and radar system, capability to fire both air-to-air and air-to-ground missiles, indigenously developed engine, fully digital glass cockpit and heads-up display HUD. Iranian officials have declared it a multi-role combat aircraft, suitable for both aerial dogfights and precision ground strikes. Despite decades of Western sanctions, Iran continues to advance its military tech on its own terms, which is a point of both surprise and concern for global observers. Number 3. Global reactions. International defense analysts have responded with mixed opinions. Some believe the Kowsar 2 is just a showpiece or a tech demonstrator, while others argue that it could become a serious operational asset, especially if Iran follows through with testing and production. Given Iran's well-established missile program, many experts are cautious about underestimating their aviation capabilities. Both Israel and the United States are now closely monitoring this development, as the Kowsar 2 could potentially shift the military balance in the Middle East. Number 4. What this means for India and Pakistan. This new fighter jet is a strategic concern for both India and Pakistan. If Iran decides to export this aircraft, countries like Syria, Iraq, or Lebanon might be potential buyers, all of which have political and strategic implications. For Pakistan, which shares a direct border with Iran, this development must be observed carefully. And for India, a country already keeping a close eye on Iran's nuclear and missile programs, this new aircraft is yet another factor in West Asia's growing militarization. Number 5. Could this jet be a real game changer? It's still too early to determine whether the Kowsar 2 will be a game changer in combat. However, one thing is clear: Iran has sent a bold message to the world. It is not relying on outside help to develop cutting-edge air power. If the jet proves successful in real-world testing, Iran could emerge as a surprising new player in the future of aerial warfare. So that was the full breakdown of Iran's newly revealed fighter jet. What do you think? Is this a true stealth aircraft or just a symbolic move to boost political influence? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AKA Fighter Jet Force, where you get the fastest and most accurate updates from the world of fighter aviation. Thank you for watching.